Welcome to this amazing course where we learn to make tic-tac-toe game in the Python. Let's start our course. First, we have to import the module Pygame. Import SYS pygame.init. Then we need a height and width of our screen. So for a tic-tac-toe game, we make a 300 into 300 screen. So height 300, width also 300. So let's name the screen variable screen pygame dot display dot set move so we change the game name dot set caption tic tac toe. Let's start by making a l- loop variable running equals to true while running for event in pygame dot event dot get if dot type equals to double equals to we are comparing here to pygame dot UIT. So in this program will close the window. So we let's fill the screen dot fill. Let's fill with white color. White color RGB is 255, 255, and 255. We should update pygame dot display dot update and we are done. Pygame dot quit and SYS dot exit. Let's run our program. We see a white screen of 300 with an height low. That's perfect. That's what we expected from our code. And first let's we want the lines. Here one, two lines horizontal and two vertical lines. We want two horizontal and two vertical lines. So for that we use the pygame dot draw. So it should be between the screen fill and pygame display. So pygame dot draw dot line where should be screen line color and starting point of the line where the starting point. So in the x-axis we go to 100 and y-axis it will be 0. It's a basic algebra so you should know. And the ending point 100 x-axis will not change but y-axis will go down below which is height. So line width, we don't have line color and line width so it's showing the error. So let's make here line color and line color. Let's make the as the screen is white so we make it black 0 0 0. Yes, and line width equals to 5. Let's say 5. Okay, then we need two vertical lines. This is for vertical lines. Vertical line. We copy. The shortcut is Shift Alt and down arrow in VS Code. So the second line will start from 100, yeah, 200. As the horizontal is 300, so first line will be at 200, second line will be at 200. 200 to 0 same, it will also be 200. Let's run the code. Save. Yes, we have our two vertical lines. So we have to make two horizontal lines at this side, and the first horizontal line will start here, which means 100 down. That means y-axis 100, x-axis 0. Down, y-axis 200, x-axis 0. So horizontal lines. Pygame dot draw. It should be on screen. Line color. Sorry, screen line color. Starting point 0, y-axis 100. Ending point width width and on the line width. So let's copy it down, and 0 to 200 the next line will be, and it will be 200. Let's run the code. So you can see we have our perfect screen interaction screen for tic-tac-toe. Now we have to input. So if we click in this box, there should be one X or a Y, or we can take anything, or this should like. So for that, let's create a board. Board. We should create a board variable, and we should create empty list, three empty list. So for that, it's a shortcut process. Dot for in it's a variable, throwaway variable. We can use anything instead of this. We can use name or anything, but I recommend this in range 3. Now this code will make one list in a single line. So to repeat this in 3 lines, so we run another loop for in range 3. Yes. First player we will be first player will be O. Our first player will O. So okay, it will now board is also there. We have to check the mouse click. If event dot type equals to pygame dot mouse button down x y, the position of the pygame dot mouse dot get press get position. We want the position. So it will be for the column side is x position. The column increases and x position also increases. So we want the perfect and this is floor division by as our x width of the one square is 100, so we divided it by 100 and row is downward, so which is y axis floor division, no, height also 100, so it is also 100. Now if we are the both row cost to this empty, if it is empty, then we are let's fill it with our layer. Row column equals to layer. That's it. Now let's see this action in our terminal. Alt N. Let's I will click here. So nothing happened. Where is the mistake? Let's find the mistake. Terminate it. What if I print Control S? Nothing happens. Column and with X mouse button down, Pygame push. Okay, 1 minute. Let's check. What's going from import with the zero, detector, right, wait, running, now, get position, board, let's say board one, board number that for in range 3, for in range 3, clear equals to now Pygame dot mouse button down, again type x y equals Pygame dot mouse dot get position, column equals import, column equals to clear. Uh, what we forgot here is changing the tones of the layer cost to X if layer is O else it should be O. Let's run the code again. Let's see. Nothing is happening. Go to row, column, row, hydrogen mouse, get syntax error line 1. First is it's happening. Yeah, we see here no. Yes, if we click in this first, then this is filled. If I click here, then this is filled. If I this field, yes, it's working. Now we should from here to we should print it in here, so it should be visible to our eyes. Let's make that happen. For that, let's make a variable here font equals to pygame dot font dot sys font non one the non and what was the another code? I just forgot. Okay, let on non and non-default font size equals to 72. Let's save it, and we have to make one new loop down the lines. Okay, make here for row in range. As we have three rows, we should loop through them, and for column in range and three columns. So each and every row and column will be checked, and we check mark equals to what is in the fourth row column. If mark is not equals to not not empty. If it's empty, we skip the step. If it's not empty, we should draw the mark. So for this, let's make text surface. What should be text surface equals to pygame that we are rendering render on date. Okay, sorry. On dot render mark true. Yes, we want to and color. We can use anything. Let's just randomly put the color. 2500. It's just random. 78. Okay. So we have to let's run this first. Run this. Oh, before that we need the position of x and y. X position equals to. So to make the center, x side is column. So one column is separated by 100. So plus 50 is make the between, and minus means the side is width. We should reduce the width to make it take surface. Just get width up, so it will be in between. And for y position, here is mistake. Y position, y side is row. So same code into 100 plus 50 minus dot. There is little sense dot downward up or downward is the height. So we need to get the height divide floor division uh, by 2. Here no minus mistake. So it's all now we have to actually print on the screen. Screen dot lit do our work and what to print. text surface, yes, this and the positions of the text surface. X position and Y position are the text surface. Let's save and let's run. Let's see. Okay, first level, second. Uh, there another. No. Let's. The game is raw. We actually did it. The terminal also doing. So if we don't want that, we have to remove the line. Print both. So for today, that's only. For tomorrow, we will actually send the message to the users who win and save their record in another lesson. So thank you for watching.